Hello all of you guys. Welcome to our new video on AI tools for Microsoft Excel. So today we are going to see a new AI tool. Guys, as you all know that we get some information about anything, any data on Wikipedia, isn't it? So you can observe if you go to Google and just search Wikipedia, we get the information here. So how about if this Wikipedia is directly inserted in your Excel, isn't it? So let's see how to insert this Wikipedia website directly as a AI tool in our Microsoft Excel. So open Excel, open a new sheet. So this will work only on Microsoft Office 365 or the latest 2021 version. Go in Home tab. This is the Home tab. You can find at the extreme right corner Add-ins. So click Add-ins and click here for more add-ins. So you can see here Wikipedia is already present here, or if it is not present, you can write here in search tab Wikipedia and you can just search so that Wikipedia will come at the #1 position. So click add. So now we are inserting Wikipedia tool in our Microsoft Excel. Agree to the terms and conditions. And here it is. You can see in our Excel we have inserted Wikipedia. So what is the basic use of this now? See, so search anything like science day, suppose, and hit search or hit enter. So see, National Science Day. So we got this information. Same information will be available on wikipedia.com. So if you want this in Excel, just select it, right click it, copy it and just paste it here wherever you require. See here, this data has been pasted, same data has been pasted right from Wikipedia. So no need to open the website and go to then website, copy it. Wikipedia is directly inserted here and you can search anything here and you can just copy paste it for the if you require information in Microsoft Excel. So this is another use of an AI tool in Excel. Thank you all of you.